Hello, guys. Good morning, Athena. Thanks for joining us. Does everyone has a clear image and audio? Please let me know just to make sure everyone can hear and see my screen. No, my camera is turned off this morning. All right. Do you guys see the MetaTrader? Do you guys see the TradingView platform? Can you let me know if you see the TradingView? Sorry for that. I just used to say MetaTrader because I used to do the live streams on MetaTrader before. So for the new viewers here, I'll just let you know that from now on, it looks like I will do this the live webinars from the Masterminds Mastery YouTube account. So you can kindly join me every day at the same time. Make sure you enable your notification buttons and you receive when we go live. And but Athena, can you comment if you can see the trading view, if everything is fine, so we can finally start? Yeah. Let's start with the pound against the US dollar and what's on the scope with the pound today. So for those who followed me on TradingView, I created and published a trading idea on the weekend. For those who don't follow me, I will show you in a while how you can follow me and you can get all the updates when I put on the markets. So guys, here is a rejection came on Friday, as we see from this candle here, and the market immediately during the New York session sold off. So today we do expect to see some more weakness in the pound, to be honest, but based on the market based on the market sentiment, I can say the price, we do expect to see some more of this congestion here before it can finally move lower. But yeah, we will be monitoring the charts and see what's gonna happen at the end. What's next on the lower time frame? Let's check 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart though, as you see here, the price came at this area of Guys, some technical issue appears on, I believe it's on my end with OBS Studio, but nevertheless, we're going to sort it out. That's technical stuff. We are meant to be when we do live, so that's okay. But anyway, thanks for your support, because these webinars, these live trading webinars, they started just on Friday. It was a surprising way that we had to start these webinars, but we don't get we keep strong and we move forward. We don't look backward. And yeah, that's it. For those who used to see me on a previous webinars, now you're going to see me on these webinars. Okay. So we keep moving forward. At the end, guys, I will share with you some of the private links I have, like a Discord community where we post live trades there. I will share with you also the Twitter and the TradingView, how you can follow me on TradingView, because it is one of the most brilliant tools. When you follow me, I create the ideas when I scan the charts, and you're gonna receive notifications. So keep an eye on that. TradingView, it's one of the by far one of the most upgraded platforms out there. But back to the analysis now. So this 4-hour chart on the pound against the US dollar, it finds some support around the 20 period moving average, and there is some room for the price to move until this area here. So we do expect it to see some price advance until this level, but overall the move is down. Now, something I would like you guys to understand is the fact that, like this move here, let's zoom in on this area here. So the market, it's in a downtrend. Okay, we can see that it's in a downtrend. But when we do live analysis and we see that a bullish candle formed and is forming towards the upper band of the Bollinger Band, some traders, they try to say, oh my God, now it's the opportunity and I have to buy. No, the opportunity is not to buy this move here if you are trading on this time frame. And that's something I discussed with our members on the Discord community a lot. I help you there to understand how you must think as a trader. Now, because we are sitting in front of the computer right now and we observe this opportunity here, it doesn't mean we have to take the counter trend trade. But what can we do though is we can scale down on a lower time frames, like the 15-minute chart or even the 5-minute chart. And if we understand that there is a room of opportunity for the price to move towards this area of resistance, we can apply our strategy to enter long, but we must make sure that we have to take profits by the time price will tap into this area, because that's the room of opportunity here. All right, it doesn't mean we buy here and we keep the trade, and if we make 2 to 1, 3 to 1, oh my God, it's in this area, and then if we don't close the positions, then we see the price comes all the way down, and at some point, what? We're gonna get scared and go break even on a trade, and we could have made, let's say, 2 or 3 to 1, whatever we were trading. But in this occasion, we did nothing because we got scared. Now, this is a method impatient traders uses. All right, now A patient trader, a disciplined trader use a different method. It's something we extensively comment on the Discord, and we're gonna keep doing more things on that channel. Now, next one, euro against the US dollar. Guys, you can let me know if you want to see any currency pair. Again, apologies for the bad connection today, but it's the second time I do streamings my own, and I think it was a brave effort to start them immediately. So be patient with me, and tomorrow the technical issue will be solved. Now, let's check the daily chart, Euro US dollar. What's on the daily chart? Pretty much similar behavior with the pound. They tend to move kind of together. We spot that inside resistance. We talked about that inside resistance on Friday, and the market, you see guys, guess what? It came all the way to that resistance and sold off. Now, there is a great thing about smart money concept out there and all this stuff, which I encourage people to have a look at that. No problem at all. Now, what's the issue with the smart money concept? They don't take strong trending markets. They don't take the moves of a strong trending market. And sometimes the move based on the liquidity zones and all this stuff, it can happen, the opportunity, during the times you're not monitoring the charts. Now, and as I said many times, it's nothing wrong to trade this type of areas, but at the end, what actually they do trade on the smart money concept is exactly support and resistance on a higher time frame, and then they go to the lower time frame, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, and find the lower highs, lower lows to sell, or higher highs and higher lows to buy. Again, it's with the usage of Fibonacci retracement, even if they don't show it, or if the people they use it, they haven't been told, so they don't understand that's what they use, then they think it's something new. It's nothing new. It's pure technical analysis, but they try to find a way to make 10 to 1 and 20 to 1 over a trade. But to make a 10 and 20 to 1, you must willing to lose 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15 trades. So at the end, if you do the numbers, because I did the numbers, it comes down simply to you take 5 trades and you lose 2 trades and you win 3 with 3 to 1. You are exactly at the same area. So, still bearish on the Euro US dollar. Next one, Australian dollar against the US dollar. By the way, on these webinars, guys, we don't have that restriction of the time, so we can stretch it out a little bit more. That's not a problem. So that's the daily chart, Australian dollar, US dollar. As you see here, it's pretty messy. I wouldn't even thinking to sell the middle of this area here. Okay, next one, Kiwi, pretty much the same. So let's check the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. The strength of the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, though, it can boost with this bullish engulfing here, and we can see the market moving higher. Now, it worth notice that on the weekly chart, we commented last week that the market it's in an uptrend, okay? And if the market is in an uptrend on the weekly time frame, we better look for opportunities to buy on the lower time frame. But if you remember, I commented that on a daily chart I wasn't that interested to buy this one, okay, because the price made that lower high and lower low, but it really didn't come at a strong area of support, so I will be confident to buy. But after this bullish engulfing occurred here, of course we're going to be looking to buy and target these areas here. That's the weekly resistance lines. But how can we do it? On a daily chart, this candle is super long, and from in the next guys, I'm my goodness, you are so lucky to being able to watch these webinars, because I can use I don't need I can say anything without considering any kind of financial advice, but I can use any words like profit loss on this webinar, so you can feel free to type them on the chat. That's not a problem. So on the 4-hour chart though, we identified that the market was accumulated at this point here. Now, is accumulation good enough for us to take trades? No, it's not accumulation only good enough, but what we want to see a kind of bullish engulfing around the bottom, but the length of the bullish engulfing to be a little bit small, so we can use the ATR and we can have a reward to risk ratio that it's significant in our favor. Now, if we take, for example, this bullish candle here and we place, let's say we want to enter long, we want to buy here and a stop loss below the low here, this is about 127 pips. I mean, to go for a 2-to-1, you don't go even 1-to-1 by the time price is gonna tap into this weekly resistance. So how is possible to go for 2-to-1 and 3-to-1 where our stop loss will be put on the trading view? If I want to put my stop loss here, how is possible to do that so and have a good expectations that this market is going to move higher? Okay, so long candles doesn't help us really that much. And the last major currency pair, we also have the USD JPY. That's the USD CHF. Strength on the US dollar. That's the daily chart now we are watching, and you can see that market, it's at the top of the Bollinger Band, but the bottom, the lower band, is having this tendency to bend upward, so it's not a strong move anymore. We do expect to see the correction here and hopefully to continue to the upside. As you see, the RSI, it's oversold, and therefore some correction is expected. Now, guys, please make sure you like and subscribe on this YouTube channel, as in the next few days I will post a very, very informative video about the RSI. I'm sure, and for those you guys, you're gonna watch this webinar later on, please keep an eye on the channel as an inside information about RSI, I would have called that. And if you trading stochastic, you can let me know. I can make you a video about stochastic, 3 to 5 minutes length, no more, and you will learn upside down how to use the RSI on your benefit. Next one, USD JPY, and what's going on with the yen. The market gapped to the upside. Japanese yen is very weak. Obviously, they do it also on purpose, right? They want to keep the yen very weak, the Bank of Japan, because they are heavily based on exports and on imports. It's the third country in the world that is spending their trade balance show too much on